Hey friends, welcome to my channel in Phone Tech. Today I'm going to compare Galaxy A20 and Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let's start. First of all, I'm going to talk about front camera. A20 has 8 megapixel front camera and Note 7 Pro has 13 megapixel front camera. Next, talk about the screen. A20 has 6.4 inch HD plus Super AMOLED display and Note 7 Pro has 6.3 inch Full HD plus IPS display. If I talk about the RAM, you will get just one option in RAM and storage in A20, 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and Note 7 Pro has two options in RAM, 4GB and 6GB, and also two options in storage, 64 and 128GB. Next, talk about the rear camera. A20 has a dual rear camera, 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, and talk about the Note 7 Pro cameras. Because it has dual rear camera, you can see here a massive difference because it has 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera. Let's give a look on processor and chipset. Galaxy A20 has a 1.6 GHz octa-core processor and Exynos 7884 chipset, and Note 7 Pro has a 2 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 675 chipset. As I always tell about some other specification, let's compare. A20 has an Android 9.0 Pie, and other side you get also Android 9.0 Pie with MIUI 10. And talk about the GPU, we don't know about the GPU in A20, but other side you will get an Adreno 612, and both have a dual SIM and as well as fingerprint sensor on the back. Talk about the battery. Galaxy A20 battery is 4000 mAh non-movable, and other side you also 4000 mAh battery with quick charge 4. And talk about the price. Galaxy A20 expected price is 15,000 in India rupees and 220 in US dollar, and other side average price is 14,000 in India rupees and 200 in US dollar. Thanks friends for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos update.